It is update time on the 69 Dodge Charger RT SE. I wish they wouldn't have riveted that on. Well, anyways, here we are, ready for the driver's side rockers. Ready to put the rocker panels in the driver's side. They've been in, they've been test fit, everything looks good. The cross member is been test fit, looks good. I've got my weld through primer, all the places it needs to be, and all of my epoxy primer where it needs to be. So I'm supporting the front of the car just with this jack and a piece of channel iron to keep my my dimensions 30 inches off the garage floor to these bumper bolt holes, and the garage floor is within a 1/16, something like that, so not too terribly worried about it. Yeah, this is where we're at. This side, I had to patch this back corner. It's pretty rusty, so I made a patch for it. But same thing as the other side, I cut out a section of that upper rocker. And you can see it here. Yeah, I cut out that notch. So that fits right in there. And everything is still square and level. And that's what I'm worried about. So that's our update for now. Everything's been rust mortared. The Swiss cheese in the corners here and over there, if you can see it, there's Swiss cheese in that corner. That rust I'm going to take care of after the floor pan is in. It's just going to be a lot easier to get my fit and to make the patches come down and match the floor pan at that time. So just a quick update of where we're at with the old Charger. I guess not much more to add. I got my I gotta finish my front covers here for the end of the rocker panels. I'm gonna do both of those once the floor is welded in, and I know I don't need to get in and do any more work in there. So that's about it for right now. Not going to get into great detail on all the work that went into it. There is a lot of patching, a lot of stuff like that. It's just to show that it can be done. Thanks for watching.